In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1.
Honor the father and the mother. Exodus 20, verse 12. Please come on.
Believe in the Lord Jesus Christ and thou shalt be saved. Acts 16:31. If you're not, you will not be saved.
Kay dili ko igakaulaw ang mayong balita kay kini mao ang gahom sa Dios alang sa kaluwasan. Roma 1:16.
Children, obey your parents for the Lord, for this is right. Ephesians 6:1.
Be strong and of good courage. Be not afraid, for the Lord thy God is with you.
God is love. 1 John 4:8.
Pray without ceasing. 1 Thessalonians 5:17.
7:7 prayer na. Ay, dali prayer na.
I love him because he first loved us.
Mayong balita version. Proverbs 33:2. Kung dako kagkaon pugi mo kaugalingon.
Gamay ra ba?